Good morning, good morning. It's tourney day. April 10th, 2021. 4:37 in the morning, and I am headed to Beaver Lake. We're having our only event of the year that's like this, but it is a Major League Fishing style event, which if you guys don't know what that is every fish, not just your best 5, but every fish you catch counts over 11 inches. Doesn't matter if you catch 20 20s or 40 11s, they all count. So anyway, I'm looking forward to it. I probably put the most thought into this one because I'm trying to think, going out and catching 30 or 40 fish is hard to do. It just is. Especially right now. And I've thought, where can I go and catch that many? And I don't know where I can go and catch that many. I know a lot of places where I can't go to catch that many. So that's at least one plus. But I am going down to the river. I'm going down to where, if you've seen me fish there before, in, let's see, last year's NSKA Classic, day number 1, I fished in this area and did okay. Nothing fancy, but did fine. But there's just a big population of fish down here. I don't think any, it doesn't hold a ton of giants, but it's got some big fish, but it's got a lot of fish. So we're gonna go give that a try. As you know, I have no idea how I'm gonna do. If this video is a good video, I hope that it's probably long, because that means I caught a bunch of fish. So if it's short, that's no bueno. So we'll see what happens. But we're gonna record it, whether it's good or whether it's not, and maybe we'll learn something. Anyway, I'll see you all out there. Water temperature is already 60 degrees. I see literally no reason why I shouldn't absolutely wreck them today. I think today's gonna be a good day. You know what? Of course it's gonna be a good day. I'm getting to fish for 8 hours. How could that not be a good day? Line's in. Here we go. Man, I hope this video is like 2 hours long. Thank you, sir. 16 1/4. Good way to start right there. Good way to start right there. It's one. Hopefully one of a whole bunch. That's a good one too. Ooh. 2. Good one. 14.75. Another good one. Well, clearly that was a fish. Try to catch it. This wacky worm. And then I'm gonna go over here and hit this little brush pile real quick. Okay. Good enough for me. Okay, I checked it. Good enough for me. Hang them. $15.75. Another good one. What time is it? How we're doing? It's only 8:30. Okay, 2 hours, 5 fish. Well, that was something. Dadgummit. Probably about a 13. Thing hit way back here right at the boat, and I tried to flip him. He came off in midair about 7 feet high, hit the back of the boat, and flopped out. Dang it. I gotta tell y'all, I'm a little surprised at the weather. I didn't think it was supposed to be so wet. But midday or mid-morning update, it is 9:18. I have 6. Should have gotten a 7th, but I didn't. So it's just part of it. I'm not going to fish with this very long right here. Because I haven't. Well, thanks for making me look like an idiot on camera. Okay. I kind of can't believe that happened. Wonder how come that little dude couldn't get my spinnerbait. Hammer. All right, finally got one after a little bit. Holy cow. You want to talk about a miracle. You want to talk about a miracle catch right there. My spinnerbait broke in half when I got it in the net. My spinnerbait broke in half whenever I got it in the net. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It is in shambles. I can't. That is a miracle catch right there, boys and girls. Boys and girls, that's a Beaver Lake hammer right there. That is a Beaver Lake hammer. All right, sweetheart. Thank you so very much. That was a miracle catch. I mean, it's a lighter wire spinnerbait. I have bent it out and back in a bunch of times. Man, that, boys and girls, is a Beaver Lake giant. There's just not very many of them swimming around in here. Hey, boys and girls, you want to talk about a dandy for some heavy hitters? Nothing like an old Beaver Lake 20 and a half to get you right up in there. Thank you, buddy. Nice 14.5-inch fish. Appreciate you. Ten. Let's move this. Gosh dang it. Surely to goodness I'm not about to catch 220s on Beaver Lake in the same day. I dang sure might. Look at that. Another biggin. Another biggin. 19 3/4. Heck yes. What a beauty. Boom. Should I go ahead and say that I really do wish this was a 5-fish tournament? Not very often you can catch a 20 and a 19 3/4 on Beaver Lake in the same day. Woo! That was exciting. Just a little less dramatic than the last one. In that my bait actually stayed together. I have learned so much about shallow water fishing in the last year. Fish get shallow, in case you were wondering. And they just sort of sit there sometimes, being shallow. I mean, that was... everybody and their dog probably hits that. So why it bit right then, I don't know. But a big clump of logs on the end of a long extended point down here in the river. Yeah. That's not the first time anybody's ever casted at it today. Kind of some stick-ups right in there. All right. Thanks, bud. Maybe. No. Heck no. Big appetite. Thank you, buddy. All right. What's up, man? How are you?
Recording right now?
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going?
Get to do the way in.
Let's do it.
You get to be the guy.
I don't have the. All right. I'll do it. In 6th place, Devin Esri. In 5th place, Cole Sykes. In 4th place, Dwayne Beatty. 3rd place, Craig Wood. 2nd place, Josh Howard. This tournament is probably next season going to have a brand new name. It is, instead of the King of the String, it is just going to be called the Roy Roberts Invitational. With 373 inches, Roy Roberts. Good job, man.
Josh.
Hi, I'm Kyle. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yep. I had 8 fish. I had probably 110 inches or something, and I ran into this guy, and he said, "How many you got?" I said, 8 fish. I don't know, whatever. And he goes, "I got 266." And I was like,
Well, I was going to just head to the house.
Go ahead and go load her up.
he had me by 150 inches.
All right.
Go.
And I pull around the corner and I'm like,
go from where y'all launched?
he's sitting right there, like right where I was going.
How
About
far
that
up did
time,
you go after you launched?
He's like getting situated. Boop. Fish jumps off his board and he goes. I was like, dude, I'm so sorry. I just saw that. Man. Jumped right off the board.
Ouch.
Right in front
I
of me.
started at
But
Hickory and I loaded
all that stuff that I hit, that
Yeah.
I normally do is terrible. They're running fish there.
My favorite spot, like the spot that I thought, okay, I have intentionally gone here just to catch a fish, didn't catch a fish.
Yeah. I can't believe how many people.
Congrats on big
Good
bass.
see.
Hey, man. Thanks. How'd you do today? All right, y'all. That was a fun time. Ended up in 12th place out of 62, which I really can't complain too much about. Even if I would have had the two fish that I would have lost, I think I would have ended up moving up one spot. So it was just a fun day. A lot of fish caught, just not enough to to get a top 10, but all is not lost. Made $310 on the big bass, so that is good. Pretty fired up about that. Anytime I can take home some hardware. And I got a sticker for the 20-inch club. Anyway, well, I am headed home and I'm tired. So thank you for watching, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next one.